beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have just discovered me, then this is the right time for you to hit that red subscribe button down below and be a part of my YouTube family. Before we start our video, I'm going to do a 1K giveaway soon. So I'm almost there, so I want you to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for that 1K giveaway. So let's get into the video. Today's video, I'm going to do a small unboxing. I bought something from Burberry. They gave me a big bag. This item is not that big, but I guess they didn't have a bag. They put me in the really huge big bag. So here's the small items. Let me show you what I got from Burberry. And this purchase was not planned. It was just unexpected purchase. And yeah, we have not been to the mall for a long time. So we went to the Burberry store, and this was not expected at all. When we went there, when we walked there, I like it. So my husband said, like, you know what, buy it. So here is the items in this box. I like this nice little brown box. And are you guys ready what I got from Burberry to see? I like the ribbon. They are so thick. And let me open this. And that item is inside this bag. Now you guys already guessed what's inside here because of the size of this bag. It is a bag. Look at this. How pretty is this bag? So when I saw this bag, I was looking something for my work. So usually I do not like to carry my designer bag. So I was looking for something that is like very subtle, kind of like not very like, you know, flashy, from Kate Spade or Coach. And when I saw this bag in Burberry, I felt like this is so perfect for my work. This is not very screaming like Burberry. You can see a little bit logo here, but not like, you know, that much. And then you can open this, and I like the best part is this strap. Look at this, how pretty is this? This kind of reminds me of my like a Dior bag. It has a all Burberry written here in the strap, and you can make it long and short right there. This is how it looks, and it has a strap, and this is how it looks. It doesn't have no pocket on the back, and it has a small logo here. It's very subtle, so perfect for my work because I don't want to be like, you know, flashy and showing off when I go to work. And also when you open it, it has lots of room. So see, it has lots of room. It has a back pocket on the back here, and you can fit wallet here, and you have a even front pocket here. And then the price point was really good, so I thought this is the perfect for me to go to work. And then also my husband was telling me, like, you know what, this is a perfect bag for travel. If you guys know me for a little longer, then I do not like to carry also any good designer bag when I'm traveling in a plane, or because I feel like it's so dirty there and I do not want my bag to get dirty. But this is so perfect. You can fit your passport inside, you can put your wallet, and you can even put, like, you know, some of your small necessary items that you need, like small, like, you know, like a compact powders or lipstick or something. And I like it has like a back pocket, and it has a front pocket here. So this is a really cute functional bag, and it has definitely a Burberry pattern here. And when you close it, one you can see is a little bit of this pattern, not much. And this is how it looks from the side. This is how it is. And then this is how it looks from the back. Very simple, but I like the strap here, and I love the, you know, this just the functionality of bag. I do not like to carry like a big bags because I do not like to carry too many items in my bag, and I thought this is the perfect bag. I'll show you in the mirror how it looks. See, this is how it looks, this bag. You can make it like, you know, long and short, like right here, and you don't have to do crossbody. You can just do like this. My pins are so long. Look at this. I need to hem these pins. I was gonna give this to my husband. If I don't wear heels, it's too long, so ignore that and just focus on my bag. I like this bag. What do you guys think? I think this is a cute little bag that I can carry for work, or I can even, like, you know, travel with this if I ever travel again. If you ever go anywhere, I think it's a pretty bag. I really like this bag, and the quality looks very good. This bag is a calfskin, and when you go to work or if you try to use every day, calfskin is better so that you don't have to worry about scratch or anything. Lamb skins are very delicate, so I like its calfskin. And also I like the hardware. It's gold and black, and definitely if you guys know me for a little longer, I love gold hardware on bag. I have one day like, oops, my husband is cleaning. I think he's making a loud noise. If you guys following me for a little longer, then you guys know that I love gold hardware on a bag. And I don't know how many bags do I have even with the silver hardware. I have few bags with silver hardware, but I always love gold hardware. And I love this bag. Another thing is that this bag is so subtle. It doesn't scream at like a Burberry or anything, just a little bit print here. And I think this is so cute. I love it. This is the kind of style of my Dior bag. This bag kind of remind me of my Dior, this bag, but it's not like the same, but kind of a little bit remind me of same, but half of the price. And price was really good. If you are looking for something around like, you know, $1,000, then this is the good bag to invest. And here is my new Burberry bag, and I think I'm gonna carry this tomorrow when I go to work. And here it is. This bag is called, I think, the Note bag. And you know, this is so funny story that I have never seen this bag before, and we were not even planning to buy anything. Do you guys ever feel like that? You go to the designer store and you know your essay, they come to you and they're so nice, and you feel like that you need to buy something. That's what I feel like. My husband feel like that, and he was like, you were looking for a work bag, what about this bag? You can, like, you know, buy this bag for a work bag. And I was like, you know what, if you say so, then of course. And not only that he said, then I bought it. I feel like this is a perfect for me because I've been carrying this bag for work, kids bed bag, and that bag really need to go, like, you know, that started looking really sad bag. So it's time for me to change my work bag, and now I have my new Burberry bag, and I'm so excited, more excited for this bag when I go to travel. If we ever go travel again, I'm so ready to go travel somewhere. I'm ready to go travel. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is a good buy, or should I keep it, or should I return? Let me know down in the comment below. I'm thinking to carry that bag tomorrow to go to work, and we'll see how it looks. Anyways guys, that's a small unboxing video. That's all for today's video, guys. I have a small this unboxing, and I was excited to share with you what I got from Burberry that I did not plan to purchase, and it just happened. But I'm happy that I added that bag into my collection. It's a cute little bag and perfect for my work. So if you like this video, then be my friend and do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. I love you.